Can you remember before Canva's 2024 updates, we'd click on a file to work with it and it would open up in a separate tab. They changed that. So now when we click on one of our thumbnails and open a file, it goes into this large preview mode, which is half homepage, half working file. And we see here that we still only have one tab. And then you click somewhere within that working window and it opens up the project into that same tab in our browser window. To go back to the home page, we have to go to the three stripes here. We go back into our limbo, part editing, part home page, and then click on home again. And we're back into our home page. This all happens in that single tab up here at the top. We now have the ability to change a setting so that it goes back to what I consider a better way to work. In the top right of the browser window, we have the settings icon. Click on settings and scroll all the way down. And second from the bottom, we have the option to open designs in a new tab. I'm going to turn that on. I'll click on Canva to come back to the home page. And now, with much magic, we have the home page still open in the original tab. And yes, we have our working file open in its own tab. This is excellent news. Enjoy creating.